Hello and welcome to another Roblox development tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to make a simple teleport system. This system is very flexible, so will fit into any game. As always, this is a beginner focused tutorial, so I'll try and go as slow as possible. If you have any questions or need any support with this, please do join the Discord and the link in the description. So first things first, open up your Roblox Studio project. Just double check that you can see the Explorer and the Properties panel on the side and the Output panel on the bottom. If you can't see this, then just enable it in the top bar. We're going to create a part in Workspace and name it Portal. Make sure this is anchored, and I'm just going to size and color mine. Then create a folder in Workspace and call it Teleport Destinations. Add a part to this folder and call it Destination 1. This is where we're going to be teleporting to and from. Create a script inside of the portal and call it Teleport Script. In this script, we're just going to test if the player touches it and then print out a test statement. Now that this is all set up, we're going to go into the game and test it. As you can see here, when I go into the game, it says hit. If this doesn't appear for you, then just double check your code and make sure you've written everything properly. Now we'll go over to replicated storage and create a folder. Call this folder binds. Add a bindable event and call it teleport. This is what we're going to use to pass information between the two server scripts. We're going to go back to the teleport script and connect the bindable event. Then create a script inside a server script service. Name this Teleport Manager. We're just going to create a test print statement to check the bindable event. Now that this is done, let's go into the game. Here we can see that the test print works. All that's left to do now is to connect the player's character and find the teleport destination. And then just move the player to the teleport destination. In the game here, you can see that when we step on this pad, we teleport to the next one. As I said earlier, you're welcome to join the Discord and the link in the description if you like. Thank you for watching, I'll see you later.